So, you want to drive a manual transmission car. Here are 6 simple steps to get you on the road and driving like a pro. First off, get familiar with where the gears are while the car is still off. Different transmission or cars have different layouts, however they are usually imprinted or printed on the shift knob. Here we have the layout for the 5-speed transmission. And here's the layout for the 6-speed transmission. As you can see, for both, neutral is in the middle where the shift knob can move around freely without engaging any gears. Know where this is because before you learn how to downshift, this is where you'll come before you learn to start or stop. Depending on the transmission, first gear may be up or down to the left-hand side. Again, check your shift knob. After that, the gears go in a sequential order from left to right in a top to bottom zigzag pattern. Step 2. Before you turn on the car, push the clutch in. Step 3. Now, turn the key in the ignition in the car while still holding the clutch down. Make sure the car is in neutral where you can jiggle around freely before letting out the clutch, while you still have your foot on the brake to keep the car from moving. Step 5. To start moving forward, push the clutch back in and move into first gear with the shift knob. Now, slowly start letting out the clutch while pushing down on the gas at the same rate the clutch is coming out. The motion should be like wringing out a wet towel. Step 6. Once your RPMs get around 3,000, push the clutch back in and move the gear shift to second gear. And you'll do that same motion as you did in first gear. The same motion is used to build up sequential gears, third gear, fourth gear, fifth gear, and sixth gear if you have it. When it's time to stop, push the clutch in, push on the brake, and shift to neutral, and pull your foot off the clutch. Now, make sure you never change gears without the clutch completely in, because this will damage the transmission. Looks like you're all set to get on the road. Drive safe and have fun.